Subject of today's tutorial is again a synthesis riddle. The question is, how would you try to achieve the transformation from this epoxide to this diol? As usual, please try to solve this problem by yourself at first and afterwards listen to the suggested solution. So how should one approach this problem? Simply by comparing how many carbons, how many hydrogens, how many oxygens do you have in this and in that molecule. And then you will notice that we have one oxygen more and two hydrogens. Overall, this makes one water molecule. So this is certainly the addition product of a water molecule to this conjugated epoxide. How could one achieve that? Well, what happened? A proton has been placed at the oxygen and the corresponding counter-anion, the hydroxyl anion, has approached this position as a nucleophile. So open up this epoxide, cationic charge here, but stabilized by conjugation and trapped by the hydroxyl group. The problem now is this will certainly not work diastereoselectively if you just add a simple acid. You already have an acid, so a more reactive acid, since this is obviously a case of remote chiral induction. You have two chiral centers here. One chiral center is lost and a new one is formed here. To achieve that diastereoselectively, you certainly need a catalyst that provides a chiral environment. In this case, certainly the only solution presumably is an appropriate enzyme. Well, at least zinc enzymes are suitable for opening up epoxides. So one has to make a literature survey trying to find the appropriate enzyme for this case. Thanks for listening.